at it. Never mind, you can't get the key. All right, everybody, we're going to attempt to move the Volvo. We made it handicap accessible. He's going to get his board so he can transport into the Volvo. Uh-oh, he's found something. What's he found?
A key to a Ford.
I bet you money. I had two people stop last night changing kids. And I bet you money they dropped the key out. Because they parked right there and there.
I won't keep this on hand just in case. If y'all are seeing this, you left your key.
What am I doing? I went the wrong way, didn't I? Oh, lo, 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 lo. Boom, 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 boom. I know I pick around about never done projects, but this is also why too, because we jumped from one to the other. Woohoo!
Distractions!
We'll be right back. I will tell y'all one thing, that little shit can get away from you too. Look, all I did is walked in there and got the key to the Volvo, and before I can get out, he's done over here trying to get in the car. That is the damn sneakiest little, he get gone in a heartbeat. He goes zip, zip, zone.
What can I say? I'm mobile now. I'm like a baby.
Now look at that, we need to get this thing fixed. That'd have been a good car for him to drive. It just slide right over in that thing.
Yeah, this thing's just lower than my chair. I think I only need one.
I don't know which one's. All right, let me see. We're gonna.
Here we go. Let's start her.
Don't mess it up now. Oh, horn works. You know what that horn for? That let the bitches know we coming. It's on.
Okay. We'll be right back. He's gonna go get the tractor. All right, he's back. Just so everybody knows, mileage check. 200,317 miles on this Jewel.
Motorcycles across
You have to get us a strike. All right. Here's what we're gonna do, everybody. I'm gonna put you on the tractor so you can watch the cripple. I mean, you can watch Randy.
They're watching the fat ass. I mean, the dad right now.
You can watch Randy drive the Volvo. We're gonna do a Volvo burnout. All right. We're gonna go all the way up there, and we're gonna go up there and put it over where I was pushed up all the crap out of the way, making more of a parking lot, so I can still work all this. So anyway, here we go. What?
So we're gonna move all the crap back in the way.
Well, somebody said something about I had their driveway all clogged up, so I better fix it.
I never even said anything.
Okay, y'all, here we go. Safety first now. I checked around, we do have a little low air pressure. That's gonna make it pull to the left just a little bit, but I believe it'll be okay.
There's a problem. Every time I get in this car, it goes straight to the shop.
Now, do you know where we are going?
Nope. I'm following you. I don't need to know where I'm going.
Lights are on though. That wasn't as bad as I thought.
Like a glove.
I could have got him a little faster if that would have been a little better, and he could have went up the hill a little bit.
So,
But
here's the big question.
I'm gonna get it.
How the hell am I gonna get down from here?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I hope I can get the little chair up here, but I shall return. Part 2 on the crazy shit us here at Never Done Projects do. He gonna piss me off on that. Ah, shit, one day. See, I want y'all to understand something here. See what he's doing? He's overcoming and adapting to his environment. He could have been doing this the whole time, but instead he chose to sit at the barn and say, I feel sorry for myself. I can't do nothing. Here we go, y'all. I just playing. I said not to worry about it because I didn't want you to get out back up there. That's all right.
Oh, here comes Chet.
Is it?
Yeah, he's in the field.
That's all right. You leave it up there. Get out right there. Let me back up a bit. What are you doing?
You want to borrow my mule?
I wish I had that thing. I loaded it down with wood the other day.
When you cut the tree down.
I'm going to. I cut it here in just a minute.
Cut a tree.
He's wanting that tree cut.
I'll cut a
Is
tree.
he out walking?
What? 2 weeks or
9
9 days? 9 days.
How's he getting out that?
I gotta go get the chair. I gotta go get the chair, roll it up here, send him to get out. We done moved the Pablo.
Gonna move that.
We moved it from over here up here, and then we got this.
Yeah, you got down out here. I had perfect time today. I hadn't seen it.
We get here.
I was looking for the white truck. I ain't see it nowhere.
We got another guy's got it. He got it for the weekend. I got it for the weekdays. So there's 2 of us now sharing the truck.
Sharing the one truck. Good.
Yeah, I got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. He's got Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We're together on Thursday. Let me
Go
go
ahead,
get.
don't
Let me get the chair, and then we'll get back down there.